Alright, if you've been wanting to get into cartoon animation but After Effects feels a little intimidating, this video is for you. We're going to break down 4 of the most important animation techniques that are perfect for beginners. First up is the absolute foundation of all animation, using position, scale, and rotation keyframes. You start with a simple shape or a character piece. You set a keyframe for its position, then you move forward in time and change its position. That's it. After Effects does the work of filing in the movement. The same goes for scale to make things bigger or smaller, and rotation to spin them around. This is the simplest way to bring your cartoons to life. Next, let's talk about the puppet pin tool. This is a game changer for animating characters without doing any complex rigging. You can take a flat character design and place little pins on its joints, like the shoulders, elbows, and knees. It's like putting a bunch of digital push pins on a drawing. Then, you can simply grab those pins and move them to create natural looking motion. It is a fantastic way to make a character wave, walk, or turn its head, even if you are a beginner. The third technique is all about shape layer animation. After Effects has these amazing built-in shape tools that are perfect for motion graphics and cartoon animation. You can create shapes and animate their properties, like the color or the size of the stroke, or even the path itself. A classic beginner technique is using the trim paths to make a line draw on or off the screen. It looks super professional and it's surprisingly simple to do. And finally, the secret to making all your animations look professional is a little thing called easy ease. When you first animate something, the movement can look a little robotic. All you have to do is select your keyframes, right-click, and choose Easy Ease. It smooths out the beginning and end of the animation, making it look much more fluid and natural. You can even go into the graph editor to customize the speed and timing. This one simple trick can make all the difference in your work, so there you have it. These 4 techniques are the perfect place to start your journey into cartoon animation and After Effects. Get out there and start creating.